Manila, where we'll be having our brainstorming meeting with the GUSI Board of Directors. This will be the best international event for Miss Nora Honor, along with 18 international laureates. So let's all cheer for
Isn't
Miss
it
Nora
rich?
Honor. Go, go, GUSI for Miss Nora Honor. Yay!
Are we a pair? Me here at last on the ground, and you in midair, sending the clowns. Isn't it bliss? Don't you approve? One who keeps tearing around, one who can't move. Where are the clowns? Send in the clowns. Just when I stopped opening doors, finally knowing the one that I wanted was yours, making my entrance again with my usual flair, sure of my lines, no one is there. Don't you love fuss? My fault, I fear. I thought that you want what I want. Sorry, my dear, but where are the clowns? Quick, send in the clowns. Don't bother, they're here. Isn't it rich? Isn't it queer? Losing my timing this late in my career. And where are the clowns?
Please make my wish come.
There ought to be clowns. Well, maybe next year.
Mga kaibigan, si Nora Honor.
Ito kaya ay pag-ibig, laging nais marinig ang iyong tinig nasasabi. Ikaw ay laman ng isip sa bawat saglit. Ito kaya ay pag-ibig.